Improper garbage disposal is a major problem in St. Lucia. Dr. Fletcher made the call at the first COP21 at a meeting in S.O.R.T. He indicated that the indiscriminate dumping of waste in rivers, drains, and in other places around the island is exacerbating the risk posed by climate change.
The indiscriminate dumping of garbage contaminates water sources, creates a breeding ground for vectors of diseases, and contributes to flooding by clogging of drains.
We, the students of the Banse Combined School, have created the S.O.R.T bin, simply organizing reducing trash to help curb the problem of indiscriminate dumping of garbage.
This is the S.O.R.T bin, simply organizing reducing trash. It is made up of 3 compartments. The first compartment stores and organizes materials that can be used for compost. The second compartment has garbage that can be reused, example, plastic bottles. The third compartment has garbage that will not be reused, but will be disposed of in a garbage truck. The lid on the bin can close to prevent dogs and other animals from interfering with the garbage in the bin.
The materials in this compartment, such as glass, rubber bands, plastic bottles, and paper, can be reused to make items such as this fishing pot, this piggy bank, this flower vase, pavers made from old rubber bands, materials for the classroom, and other materials that can be used at home. The compost material can be transferred to another bin. The compost can be used in the garden.
The S.O.R.T bin is very useful and important to help curb the indiscriminate dumping of garbage and reduce pollution. Be part of the solution. Get your S.O.R.T bin now.